Good morning students. As you know, we are doing the chapter staffing and we have learnt a lot about this chapter. Today's topic is training and development. We have learnt about selection yesterday. After selection, the employees are needed to provide them training, means proper training and development. Okay, what are the benefits of giving the training to the employees? There are two types of benefits of giving the training to the employees. The first type is benefits to organization. If any organization provides proper training, at that time the organization will be benefited, and on the other hand employees are also benefited. Means we can say organization is benefited and employees are benefited by the training. Now we will understand how organization is benefited by giving the training. Okay, the first point is systematic learning leads to wastage of efforts and money. Any employee who is getting selected in the organization want to do the work. That's why he has come to the organization, but he has the knowledge, he has the capability. That's why he was selected. But the environment of organization is different. This environment is differ from organization to organization. So what is required for that particular organization? This was given, all these things will be giving in a proper way to the employees is called systematic learning. He has learned all the things, but what system is adopted by that particular organization, this was the training, and this training was very important to give the, very necessary to give the employees, and at that time when they get the systematic training, systematic knowledge and skills, at that time the wastage of effort, there will be no need to hit and try method, because they have trained very well how to tackle the problem, how to resolve the problem, and they can do the work very easily, and in this way the wastage of time there will not be and the money will not be wasted by taking the proper training. Okay, now we will understand increases productivity leading to increase in profit. When any employee got trained, at that time the productivity becomes very good. When the money is not wasted, when time is not wasted, at that time any trained employee start doing work and they do the work very effectively. Okay, when they do the work effectively, naturally productivity grows up, and when productivity grows up, what does it mean? It means profit will also be very high for the organization, and this is very good for any organization, because the main motive of organization to earn the profits, and the third point is equips the future managers to handle emergencies. In any organization, there may be different type of emergency situation, and in that situation how to handle all the things very well, this was given to him by training. Okay, and when we got training in this way, they can equip all the things, and whenever any manager is required, we can select the managers among the employees, because many of them can manage all the things, so they can be manager in future. Now we will see the fourth point, increases employee morale and reduces absentees. When anybody wants to do the work and he becomes fail, at that time anybody's morale becomes very low. When he got proper training and he wants to do the work, and when he does the work, at that time he is rewarded. He is rewarded in himself because he is very much satisfied, because he sees that he is doing the work whatever he wants to do. So his morale becomes very high and reduces absentees, and he start getting interest in doing the work, and when he start taking interest in the work, automatically absentees becomes very low. Okay, now we will see the fifth point, effective response to changing environment. Slowly when all the knowledge and skills is obtained by the employees by taking the training, at that time the whole phase of the environment of the organization become changed, and this is very good for an organization, because in any organization environment should be very good, so that things may go on very smoothly. Now we will see, after understanding the benefits to organization, benefits to employees. Okay, the first benefit to employee is the better career opportunities due to improved skills and knowledge. The employee who is working for an organization, when he takes the proper training, at that time his knowledge and skills are improved. When knowledge and skills are improved, this is only the base of getting the good opportunities in any organization. So his career becomes very bright by taking the training, because on the basis of training any employee can enhance their knowledge or skills. Okay, so training is very good for employee also. Now we will see the second point, higher earning leads to higher earnings. Means higher earning leads, if he earn skills and knowledge in a high manner, at that time his earnings becomes also very high. When he is very efficient person, eminent person, he naturally will earn more. Whatever he was earning before taking the training, when he becomes trained, after that his earnings, means his salary also become very rich. And the third point is improves efficiency in handling machines, because in training, at the time of training, and every employee is trained for doing the work for particular machine, mean that is called the technical skills. When he is technically skilled, at that time he is able to handle any type of machine, means where that person is going to do the work. At that time he should know how to handle the machine. By taking proper training, it is possible to handle that type of machine. Now we will see the last benefit to employee is the improves satisfaction and morale of employee. As I have told you here, when he is satisfied, he can do work very easily by taking proper training, and after that he is also getting good earnings. These are the two main things that can satisfy any employee, and when the employees are satisfied, their morale become also very high, and wherever these two things are found, the growth of the employee as well as organization becomes also very high. So students, I think you have understood how much training is important for an organization and for employee also, and what does mean by development. When any employee get training, he is developed for the future. By taking training, any employee can get development. Okay, and by getting trained employees, any organization can develop. So without training, development cannot be occur. So training is so important to getting the development. So students, I think you have understood all the things very well. Now we will talk about some more important things tomorrow. Till then, thank you.